6th grade and we are the Mayale Male Department. And today we are going to show you different things of India. We hope to like it.
India is with Nepal and Pakistan.
Today we are going to show you one festival of India and its name is Diwali.
Diwali is a festival of lights and begins on November and lasts for 4 or 5 days.
The word Diwali means a row of light, and thousands of years ago, Rama rescued his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana, and they were welcomed back to their kingdom through a street lined with rayas, little candles. During Diwali, for Diwali, families clean out their houses and decorate with TV lamps called diyas. And families get together to play to rise with the goodness of prosperity and many people also play to garnish that the god of good luck garnishes easily reversed by elephants. During Diwali, the families they send Diwali cards and they change presents and they do parties and they throw fireworks and for most children is the best part of Diwali celebration. Today we are going to show you one game, and the name of this game is they are jazz. They are 5. You take 5 stones in your palm of your hand, and with your hand you throw up more of 15 centimeters in the air. And they are of different colors. And we have to throw up and then turn around our hand and fit some stone here. You are the first. And you have to take one stone and then throw back and take another stone and take the stone that you throw. Like this, and if you don't take it's the other, and if you take it's the other, but when you argue, you do with two stones, and you throw another, take another, and like this until you take all the and the finish first is the winner. In the stand we have this is an monument of India and it's placed like this. This is inside incidents that have probably with this one, but no And this is like a billiard of India, the Bhagavad
And this is used from do it for this.
And here has the paper to read and
Right.
this is the money of India.
Okay.
Of India, that is real rice with curry and chicken. And then if you stay good and you speak in English, you have this now music is of India of one film that is very it's very traditional. Hello, we are Ignacio Maroa, and we are from Mexico. Mexico is a player of America, and now we are going to show you Mexican music.
Reflex up to.
Ignacio is going to explain you one of the festivals of this country, the Day of the Dead is a very important festival in Mexico, and it takes place on the 1st of November. And this celebrates is only just one day. The night before the Day of the Dead, families visit cemeteries and light candles for the dead souls and them and help them to wake up in the light of the day. And the morning of the Day of the Dead dedicated to some little answers for children that day. And afternoon, the festival is dedicated to Families Day. And altars are made in homes and cemeteries are decorated with candles, sugar foods, and songs. And this is a vertical, and this is a vertical. This is a Mexican food. And now we are going to explain you one traditional game of Mexico, called the basket. To play this game, we need a small basket, 10 stones, that are 5 greens and 5 yellows, and some snakes. And if the combination is one of them, you have 2 take sticks, and with 8 sticks you have a choice. Thank you for coming. Hello, we are the Chinese group. These are very student and me. China is a very big country and we are going to listen a very traditional music of China play. We are going to start with a New Year culture.
Chinese New Year is an important festival that takes place between the end of January and the middle of February and lasts for more than a week. Chinese calendar, New Year's calendar are symbolized by different animals, rat, ox, tiger. Houses and streets are decorated with red and yellow color that symbolize good luck, health, and happiness. Everywhere at Chinese New Year is the sound of firecrackers exploding. Firecrackers are used to frighten away evil spirits. And Chinese people visit their relatives on Chinese New Year, and children are given money with flowers.
In the stand, we have a large dragon that is very typical of China. Also, we have sticks, Chinese. We have two calendars that in one are a lot of animals. Also, we have a plate, a traditional plate of China that are noodles with vegetables.
Philippines is a traditional game of China. Each player sit in a circle and you take a turn and you have one player throw the stick throw to the floor. And you have to take a stick out moving, and if you don't move, you are in your turn alone. And if you move, it's another turn alone.
Now we are going to listen a very traditional music of China. Do you like? With this, we finish our presentation. Thank you for
Hello, good morning. We are Leire Amaya Miribai, and we want to explain the Colombian Africa. Leire, and now Leire, fiesta with the festival.
In Africa there are different festivals, but this is the most important, the Bedou Masquerade. The Bedou Masquerade is a festival of dances with masks. It celebrates the new year and it takes place from December or January between 1 week and a month. First the men go to the forest to find a big tree, and when they find it, take a chunk and the women paint the chunk, and when it is finished, they do holes and they put them in the face and they dance the typical dance of Africa.
Now you can explain what we have in the stand.
In the stand, we have a tambourine of Mali, and we have a match from Senegal, from the Ivory Coast, and from Nigeria.
Now, Amaya and we are going to explain the game. The game is to collect all the marbles in the mancala. First, we have to put 4 marbles in each hole. Each person will have these 6 holes, and the other one, the other 6. First, we have to know who starts. And who start have to start taking from one hole all the marbles. And we have to start from here, put 1 marble in each hole, and in the other mancala too. Put the last marble in the mancala, and you have to play again. The game ends when one person has finished the 6 marbles, and the person that hasn't finished the 6 holes must take all the marbles and then goes all the marbles, and the person that has all the marbles will. Now you can explain the typical food of Africa.
The typical food of Africa is couscous, and now if you want, come here and taste it.
Who wants to taste it?
It's nice.
Spaghetti in lime maybe we could put. Is it good?
And now the musical traditional of Thank you for coming. Hello, we are Ude and we are going to show you different things of Jewish. Jewish is floating down. Now, with my name, I will show you a television.
Nunca desde Jewish festival of life. And each celebration they do is victory to Harvard and the waves above the center.
Hanukkah, they colors like this. And each night they give one present to the children. And some children have a big present but only.
Hanukkah means awakening. Awakening has happened we the two days and we are for 8 days.
In Hanukkah, they organize a traditional game of Jewish, and they bring potato cakes, chocolate bunnies, cakes, so white. Yes, we have one puzzle. We have one puzzle, and these are some. Now, Anna and I are going to proceed the game breaks. These people play will celebrate Hanukkah. To play this game, we need counters and a special die. This special die have 4 sides, and in this side have 1 letter or 2. N, G, H, and E. First, sit in a circle and each player starts with 10 counters. Then, each player puts a counter in the middle of the circle. Now, the player from that, we are going to see what when appear a N, you don't have to do anything, but if appear a G, you have to take all the counters of the middle. When appear H, you have to take the half of the counters in the middle. When appear SH, you have to put the half of the counters in the middle. And when in the middle are not counters, each player put a counter in the middle, and like this until finish all the counters. Now we are going to listen to a typical song from here.
Musical excerpt 5.
Để đời một mẹ buồn đau ta lòng đời buồn đi